Today we are going to visit the jungle, which is the home of lots of wild animals. The home of domestic and pet animals are made, but the wild animals live in their natural habitat. They find a home for themselves in the jungle. In the jungle, I met some wild animals. The bear, the tiger, who is also known as the national animal of India, and the lion, who is the king of the jungle. Do you know where do all of them live? They find a home for themselves in the jungle. Their home is called a den or a cave. The den is very dark inside. Do you know what do these animals like to eat? The lion and the tiger like to eat meat, but the bear mostly eats plants. And do you know who are their babies? This is the bear's baby. This is the baby tiger. And this is the lion's baby. All of them are called cub. I went a little far and I saw an elephant and a giraffe. The giraffe's home is called a safari, and the elephant likes to live near the trees. The giraffe likes to eat leaves, and it has a long neck, so it can eat the leaves from the top of the tree. The elephant mostly eats plants, but its favorite food is sugarcane. This is the elephant's baby. And this is the baby giraffe. Both of them are called calf. I went a little further and saw a black and white striped animal with its baby. This is the zebra, and its baby is called a foal. Zebra lives in the grassland. And who is this running so fast? Oh, it's the wolf, and its baby is called a whale. And who is this clever animal running behind the wolf? It's a fox with its little baby. Its baby is called a pup. And who is this jumping on the branches? Yes, it's the monkey. Monkeys, monkeys jumping on the trees. Monkeys, monkeys jumping on the trees. And do you know what is a monkey's baby called? When I was young like you, I used to call it as a baby monkey. But now I know it's called an infant. And do you know what do monkeys like to eat? Yes, they like to eat bananas. Their favorite food are bananas. And who is this with its beautiful horns? Oh, it's the deer. And here you can see the deer's baby. It's called a fawn. And who is this jumping so high? Yes, it's the kangaroo. And do you know what is a kangaroo's baby called? Yes, it's called the joy. I moved a little more further when I came across a river. And do you know whom did I see in the river? It was the crocodile. And do you know the crocodile can live inside the water as well as on the land. There are few other animals also who can live on both the places, like the frog, the tortoise, the hippopotamus, and many more animals. Like the jungle, water is also the home for many animals. The animals who live in water are called water animals. So let's see some water animals. Oh, this is the big blue whale. It lives in the sea. And do you know who is this inside the sea? It's the big shark. So let's see some more water animals. This is an octopus. These are jellyfish. Their body is like a jelly material, so they are called jellyfish. Here I can see two different types of fishes. Their head is like the horse, so they are called seahorse. And here, can you see some star-shaped fishes? Yes, as they are star-shaped, they are called starfish. There are many different types of fishes also which live in the water. So children, today we came to know about some wild animals, their young ones, their homes, and what do they eat. I hope you liked watching the video. Thank you. Bye-bye.